When the sheriff pulled up, he said, "I got some bad news, Cowboy and Rooster Man. I thought I'd deliver it personally and give you time to prepare. Businessman Ted is working on a pretty good case against you." Rooster says, "What a sleaze." The sheriff says, "I know that corporate bottom feeder is lying, but he has a great team of lawyers, and he is building a pretty open and shut case against you." Cowboy says, "What is it concerning?" The sheriff replied, "You will have to tune in to the next episode."